What if you could add thousands of dollars in extra revenue in just a few clicks without running more ads, rebuilding your upsell funnels, or writing a single line of code? That's exactly what these three brands did using our slide cart drawer, a free feature built right into Zipify OneClickUpsell. In this video, we're going to show you how Jessica from our OCU Plus team helped three e-commerce brands increase AOV by over 16%, drive $38,000 in upsells, and earn over $4 in revenue per visit just by turning on the slide cart drawer. Let's take a look at how it works and how you can get results like these too.
In just a few months, this cool new feature has already driven over $1.5 million in revenue for Shopify merchants, and it's growing fast among stores we work with. Why? Because it's doing something traditional carts can't. Instead of sending shoppers to a standalone cart page where they might bounce, the slide cart drawer opens right on the page they're already browsing. So customers can edit their carts and you can show your AI-powered upsells without interrupting their shopping flow. So how are brands actually using it? Let's start with our first brand, Gussy's Gut. Gussy's Gut is a pet wellness brand that sells organic, science-backed supplements for dogs. From the moment they installed OneClickUpsell, they turned on the slide cart drawer, and this allowed us to present relevant add-ons directly within the shopping cart, creating a seamless and non-intrusive upsell flow. And we saw instant success. Not only did it increase average order value, but also customer engagement with the upsell offers, indicating a strong alignment between the upsell placements and shopper intent. In the first 30 days, they saw a 16.47% lift in average order value, and half of all upsell orders came directly from the slide cart drawer. Next is Savvy Touch, a New Zealand-based brand known for natural, chemical-free personal care products. Before using slide cart drawer, they relied mostly on post-purchase upsells, which meant they were missing out on thousands of dollars before checkout. So we turned on the cart drawer, implemented targeted upsells using complementary products, and unlocked a brand new revenue stream for their store. The result? $38,134 in added revenue, with 76% of all upsell revenue coming directly from the slide cart drawer. Last up, Rootganic, the e-commerce storefront of Isa Herrera, offering hormone-free supplements for women's pelvic and bladder health. Instead of replacing their upsell strategy, Rootganic simply layered the slide cart drawer on top of what was already working. By showing curated, personalized offers earlier directly in the cart drawer, Rootganic is able to capture additional revenue without disrupting the shopping experience or their existing upsell funnels. They only just started using the slide cart drawer, but it's already driving 20% of their total upsell revenue and bringing $4.16 in revenue per visit.
So, what's the big takeaway? You don't need to rebuild your store or overhaul your funnels to get better results. Turn on the new slide cart drawer and start driving more revenue instantly. It's free inside of OneClickUpsell, and it's already driving over $300,000 a month for Shopify stores like yours. Already using OCU? You can turn it on right now inside your OCU dashboard. And if you're not an OCU user just yet, start your 30-day trial and test it out for free today.